Building wealth is a long-term game, but the earlier you start, the better the results. If you're in your 20s, 30s, or 40s, you have a unique opportunity to shape your financial future. Each decade brings different challenges, opportunities, and strategies, but the foundation of wealth building remains the same: time, consistency, and smart decisions. In this video, I'll break down how to build wealth at every stage of your life, whether you're just starting out, hitting your peak earning years, or preparing for long-term financial freedom. I'll share actionable tips that can help you grow your money wisely and avoid common pitfalls at each stage. So, if you're serious about creating lasting wealth, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started on your path to financial success. 1. Building wealth in your 20s. The power of early investments. Your 20s are the perfect time to start building wealth, and yet, many people miss this window. Time is your greatest asset. The earlier you start investing, the more your money can compound over time. In your 20s, you might not have a high income yet, but that doesn't mean you can't take advantage of your time in the market. One of the best ways to start is by contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA. Even small contributions in your 20s can lead to a significant nest egg by the time you retire. Another key to building wealth in your 20s is learning how to budget and save consistently. Live below your means and prioritize building an emergency fund. Pay off any high-interest debt, like credit cards, as quickly as possible, and set up automatic savings so you're consistently putting money away. Additionally, focus on gaining knowledge and building skills that can lead to better earning potential. Education and career development will help you increase your income, which can be reinvested into your wealth-building strategies. The 20s are all about laying a solid financial foundation, so get comfortable with budgeting, investing, and making smart money decisions now. 2. Building wealth in your 30s. Accelerating growth with more income. Your 30s are the years where you're likely to see your income increase as your career advances. At this point, your focus should be on leveraging your earning power to accelerate your wealth building. It's time to start putting more money into your investments, whether that's retirement accounts, brokerage accounts, or real estate. A major strategy in your 30s is to take full advantage of your retirement accounts. Contribute the maximum to your 401k to get the employer match, and consider opening a Roth IRA if you're eligible. If you're self-employed or want to save even more, look into SEP IRAs or solo 401ks. The goal is to maximize your contributions and let compound interest work its magic. In your 30s, you may also have more disposable income, so it's a great time to start diversifying your investments. Think about adding real estate to your portfolio or investing in dividend-paying stocks for passive income. While it's essential to focus on your retirement accounts, adding a few other asset classes to your wealth-building plan can speed up your progress. Finally, avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you're making more money doesn't mean you should spend it all. Keep your spending under control and continue prioritizing saving and investing. Keep an eye on your financial goals, and don't forget to maintain a healthy work-life balance while building your wealth. 3. Building wealth in your 40s. Preparing for the future and diversifying. Your 40s are a critical decade for wealth building because you're now closer to retirement. This is when you need to double down on your financial goals and ensure that you're well on your way to achieving financial independence. At this stage, it's vital to maximize your retirement savings and keep your investment strategy on track. First, take stock of your current financial situation. Are you on track to meet your retirement goals? If not, you may need to adjust your savings rate, invest more aggressively, or reconsider your retirement date. If you're behind on saving, consider working a few extra years or contributing more than the maximum to your retirement accounts. Every dollar you put in now will make a significant difference when you retire. In your 40s, you should also be thinking about estate planning and asset protection. Make sure you have the right insurance, a will in place, and that your estate plan reflects your wishes. The 40s are a time to start protecting what you've built. Diversifying your portfolio becomes even more important in your 40s. By this time, you've likely accumulated a solid amount of savings, and it's time to make sure it's spread across different types of investments to mitigate risk. Real estate, stocks, bonds, and alternative investments, such as precious metals or private equity, should be part of your portfolio. If you haven't already, consider looking into income-generating investments, like rental properties or dividend stocks, to ensure your wealth continues to grow passively. 4. The importance of financial planning and professional help. As you progress through your 20s, 30s, and 40s, financial planning becomes more crucial. In your 20s, you're learning the ropes and getting used to budgeting, saving, and investing. By your 30s, you have a clearer picture of your goals, and in your 40s, you're beginning to get serious about ensuring your wealth lasts into retirement. Hiring a financial advisor can be a game changer, especially in your 40s, as you approach major life events like retirement or sending kids off to college. A financial advisor can help you with tax planning, retirement strategies, and estate planning. They can also guide you on asset allocation and risk management, helping you balance your investments in a way that fits your current situation and future goals. By seeking professional advice and staying disciplined with your savings, you can make the most of your wealth-building efforts at any stage of life. 5. Leveraging debt wisely. While avoiding bad debt is crucial, leveraging debt wisely can help you build wealth faster. In your 20s, you should focus on staying out of high-interest consumer debt like credit cards. In your 30s and 40s, you may consider using good debt, such as a mortgage for real estate or a business loan for expanding your business, as a way to grow your wealth. Real estate, for instance, can provide both appreciation and income. If you can secure low-interest loans and use them to buy rental properties or invest in property development, you can significantly increase your wealth without having to front the entire cost up front. Just make sure you're not over-leveraging yourself. Debt can be a powerful tool, but only when used responsibly. 6. Continually educate yourself and adjust your strategy. Wealth building is not a set-it-and-forget-it endeavor. To truly build lasting wealth, you need to continuously educate yourself on new investment strategies, personal finance techniques, and economic trends. Whether it's reading books, attending seminars, or watching educational videos like this one, keeping your financial knowledge sharp will help you make informed decisions that can benefit your wealth-building efforts. As your life circumstances change, whether it's marriage, children, career shifts, or market fluctuations, your wealth-building strategy needs to adjust accordingly. Always review your financial plan at least once a year and make tweaks based on new information and changing goals. Building wealth isn't something that happens overnight. It takes patience, discipline, and smart decision-making at every stage of life. Whether you're in your 20s, 30s, or 40s, you can still set yourself up for a prosperous financial future by following the principles of saving, investing, and learning. Remember, the earlier you start, the easier it becomes to reach your financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start taking action today, and you'll be grateful you did when you reach retirement. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could use some guidance on building wealth. We've got more videos coming your way to help you take your finances to the next level.